How to set up Google Analytics tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how to get started with Google Analytics. So let's get into it now. Google Analytics are a great way for you to be able to measure the return on investment whenever you are doing advertising. It is going to give you complete information about your website and the application users so you can optimize your performance for the website. And then you also have insights that only Google can give because Google is one of the most widely used search engine out there, and it has these specific capabilities that a lot of other analysis tools might just not have. And then you can also connect your insights to your results. So if you're using Google advertising, then what better analytics than Google Analytics to get started with? So to get started, all you have to do is head on over to analytics.google.com, click on Start Measuring, enter your account name. Then you're going to go on ahead and continue on to the next step. Then you have your property name, so we're just going to enter that. And then after that, we're going to click on next over here. Then you're just going to enter the business information. Let's say we are in the fashion or beauty and fitness. So you're going to make sure that you select the correct category over here. So yeah, we're into shopping because we have a e-commerce store. Then we have a small business, and then you're just going to add what you want to use Google Analytics for. So let's say that we want to measure customer engagement, we want to optimize our site experience, and we want to increase conversions and measure content monetization, or just, analyze online sales. So you just select all the key features that you want, or you can just select all of the features. It really doesn't matter. You're going to click on create over here, and then you're going to accept the terms of service. Then you're going to click on I agree over here. And once you click on I agree, you're just going to save this over here. And then you can choose the platform where you want to get started with on your analytics. So now that we have created our Google Analytics profile, we can start linking the website, the application that we want to monitor for. So let's say that I want to monitor my web page. Let's say I'm going to click on web, and then I'm going to just copy the web address. So I'm going to go into my Wix dashboard over here. And what I would just do is once I go onto my Wix dashboard, I would click on my site. So I'm just going to go onto my store, and then I'm just going to copy the link for my website store, and then I'm just going to enter that. And then what you're going to do is once you've entered the website store, we're just going to cut this out like this. And once you have that, you can choose to turn on enhanced measurement or not, and then you're just going to click on create stream, and now you will get a stream of data for your website. So you can see over here you have your stream data, and if you have installed tags more than 48 hours ago, make sure that the data is correct to get all of the data stream. Now you can see there hasn't been any data because this is actually like a dead website, but what you can do just to gather some sample data, we're going to take another sample website. So you can click on add stream and choose another website. We're going to paste this over here. And then you're just going to click on create stream over here. And then once you do that, you can see you have your tag instructions. So make sure that if you are using one of these platforms, you can finish setting up your Google tag without making any changes to the basic code. And you can install Google manually. So you can click on over here, and then you can go into your marketing and SEO on Wix over here to install your tags if you're using that. Scroll down over here, click on marketing integrations. And what you're going to do is you're just going to connect Google Analytics. So you're going to click on over here, and then you can just set up the Google Analytics onto your Wix website. So that is how simple and easy it is to set up Google Analytics on your Wix store or any of your website stores. And then you just have to verify it. Now with the Google Analytics, this is going to be your home page. So you can use this as an administrator or user. And now once you have that, you're going to have your users, new users, average engagement time, and total revenue on your basic analytics page. Then you're going to have your last users in 30 minutes or users per minute, and the top countries as well. And this will be your real-time data. Then next up on after your home section, so in your home section you have the unsampled report. This is going to be a report based on 100% of the data. You can also do sampling, so you can view converting customers or non-converting customer data when you have more viewers or more viewership onto your website. Then you have your analytics section. So this is your reports or analytics. Over here, you're going to have your snapshot. So this is going to be a summary. You will also have conversions by platform, e-commerce purchases by item. So you can see your high performing items, as well as views by page title and screen class. Then you will have your event count. Then you have conversions by event name. And then you also have your user activity cohort and over the span of time. And then you have country and default channel grouping as well. Then next up, you also have real-time snapshots. So this will be the overall activity that you're getting presently. Then you also have your life cycle of a user. So this is going to be your acquisition overview, which is going to be somewhat related to your lead generation, where you have your new users by first default channel grouping and seeing what they are going to purchase. Depending on that, they will be grouped into a certain traffic kind. And then you have your traffic acquisition as well. So what customers are coming to your website from Google search engines, what people are coming from direct links, what people are coming from your social media links. So that is going to be another way for you to monitor the traffic that you're getting and see where you are generating the most amount of traffic from. After viewing your traffic, you also have engagement tools to see who is engaging, the average engagement times, the engaged sessions per user. So how many times were people prompted to actually interact with your website. Then you also have event counts and user stickiness, and as well as the page title and screen size views. Then you have basic things like screens, conversions, and events. Then you have monetization. So you can click on monetization overview to view the overall ROI that you're getting, return on investment for whatever you have gone ahead and purchased. Then you can also view your e-commerce purchases if you are running a web store. So this would also give you your top performing items and view items and add to carts by item names. This can also show you what is a potential items that a potential item that people are almost about to buy but don't end up buying, and you can put specific sales or offer like a tiny little discount on that item, which will prompt people to actually purchase that item. And then you also have in-app purchases if you're analyzing a application, as well as publisher ads. And then you have user information, so your demographics and your demographic details will be present over here, as well as tech overviews, so you can view the users by platform and overall operating functionality of your website. Next up, you have your explore section, where you have your funnel exploration, path exploration. You can start exploring any specific kind of marketing category. Over here you have some template galleries, so you can see your segmentation overlaps, what industry you're in, use cases, conversions, cohort exploration, user lifetime. So maybe you always have customers buy one product and they don't buy again. So you can see the user lifetime, what is the overall recapturing that you're getting from your customers. Then you also have your advertising tools. So if you're using Google Ads, Google Analytics is going to give you a very detailed report on that. You will have your conversion paths, as well as model comparison for your advertising tools. And then you have your basic configuration, so you can create certain events on your web store or application that will entice more customers into purchasing from you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Google Analytics. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comment box down below. Google Analytics in general is a very powerful tool which is going to help you in terms of marketing and SEO by a landslide. No tool that is available on the marketing and SEO is going to give you as detailed of a report as Google Analytics is, because they give you all of the essentials that you would need and they leave out the extra information. They do a lot of the categorization and traffic funneling for you, which is going to be a lot simpler to navigate through instead of going through the Wix native analytics. But I would recommend that whatever you are using, do try out Google Analytics, and I will catch you guys in the next video.